So agulagulu mwankumbukira Wonder Msiska
sana amene macheza naye kwambiri wapita ndikudziwa kuti mtima ndiwosweka kumabe mawu amodzi angakhalota ndikulira pepa amene ndi Wonder Msiska zosakhala bwino zimene zikuchitika kuno anati zake mtima nzake amene amagwira ntchito andi zotutu zake ntchito zinachoka kungofika pachibale basi kufika ndithu pachibale zimene pepani Wonder Msiska.
You know, I have beef with Wonder Msiska. Ndikuzani beef yanga. Poyamba nali mfana uli ndi manziwa makaka ku Birmingham amaphunzira. It was someone that I was close to nthawi na again macheza na here there. Then atapita ku Malawi anangulowa chipwirikiti chachokuti alibe maloyalties ndikumafika point chakuti kumanding'amba so ineyo to please the politicians. Ndeineyo ndine munthu mmodzi amene you don't mess around with, because ine ndimapanga respond kaya nditenga zaka 10 ndisanapange respond, koma tsiku limene ndizakumbukire kuti pachafana anapanga zakuti ine pato pafana chopanga zakuti ine ndimayanga, I will return the favor, because pa dziko lapansi pano iwe sunganene shiri yaile ineyo osakubwezera yayi. No, tose timapanga create ma platform awawa ndicholinga chokuti tizipanga justify zimene anthu ena kuti namizira. Anyway, ngani ndabwera nayo pano ndiyakuti Wonder Msiska wanguona kuti Brian Banda wamwalira. If I have Brian Banda ine sindikupanga speculated koma tizikapo tima question mark, because mfana songadwale Friday Saturday wadua, it doesn't make sense. Atakupanga ruina akampangira sleepy polonium umenemo umatuluka mafiva kenako upita chipatala kuja amona ngati ndi malungo kenako wadwera. Now mfana Wanda anapanga point kupita kutiko ukata ku embassy. I'm not speculating, it's deducing from likely scenarios. If you understand the English language, we deduce from likely scenarios when facts present themselves, but they are not factual. At that point, Mundive what I'm trying to say. Wanda anapezeka kuti wangoona kuti uyu Brian Banda wamwalira. Wanda wapanga withdraw appointment yake yopita kukata ku embassy. Anapanga kale training yawo ambassador, deputy ambassador. Anapanga kale maidzwa initiation jama kupanga ni matrain chan diplomatic. I say, who can turn down a diplomatic position? Mafana odi wagulira ghetto. Or this was an appointment for you, an opportunity for you to be an international globalist, person, to interact with the world's elite, to have an opportunity to sit at big tables. You were on the withdraw, citing good pressure from DPP functionaries that are saying sooner sonke na memo. I go sonke na memo. Who can send you a death threat just because wapangidwa point iweyo ndi boma? Mesa kupanga point ndanthu aku DPP mwe mukomiti ya ma appointments aku DPP ku embassy munali na vicha chimwemwe chipungu ndi gulu lina ndrina. Ma appointment amene achawo amapanga ndachita chimwemwe chipungu na vicha ndi gulu lawo. That was a committee. Ndana DPP ili ndi plan yake ndio kuti ipange neutralize media, ndikipanga compromise, ndikipanga weaponize. Now neutralizing the media, how do they do it? By giving appointments to Brian Banda, to Wonder Msiska, to everyone, every notable journalist. That's how you neutralize opposition media, free speech, free media. Aina Brian Banda represented the free media. Aina Wonder Msiska, we thought they represented free media pa Malawi. But no, The stomach bwana. Mimba ndi patali. Hunger man. Bomala naimba nyimbo kuti tararara tararara. Hey, a belly full but a hungry. A hungry man is an angry man. A pot you cook but the food not enough. A food you have but the food not enough. You gonna jump to jam music in dance. Okay, I'm introducing. What I'm trying to say is, Father Wonder, I didn't hungry belly yet. Ndero, amwini, mamuta amulire nzake. Immediately amwene, wambagale kupanga konaiva amwene, wambagale kumenya maplani ata mayas. Mwina atakutipanga appoint ine kukhala director general wa MPC, dipange withdraw. Wabanga withdraw, appointment yake as an ambassador, targeting, position wa isi ya wenzake yucha, Brian Bando. Kuganiza kumene kukundi my thoughts, my opinions, but inendi maona patali mamemba. I studied psychology. I know how people think. Now, ndaiwerenga kuti mfana iyi movie yake mina omenya ndiyo ndimene iyi. Akufuna kuti sewera ife ya Malawi. Kati fenda topusa. Amwene, Malawi yanzidu sinifa topusa ya. Ndipo, ineyo okay. Wonder, you are ambitious. But you could have given it time until Brian Banda is buried, is down in the dirt. At least give yourself a week to mourn. Then in Lugamba, no, my shenanigans, no trying my plotting, my planning, my chani, because people can suspect what you end up in. Just say, I'm not saying you did, but Malawi is a speculative country. Everything in Malawi is speculation. Diziko lanto sauka. A president anu kulibe. Diziko loti kwanto organizer. Dita umanena kuti Malawi is the only country right now that can function without a president. Koma alliances amadziwa because people are sleeping. Okay? Then ukangotizimuka muslamba ya weja umayamba upanga speculate. That's Malawi. Okay? So you unakapola guy, you take it easy. You take it easy, you wait. When you wait, and to Brian Banda Manda, then you know where unakapangano withdraw appointment was deputy ambassador. Unapanga withdraw. And Tamina kuuza kuti ampanga utokale we replacement wa Brian. Unakauza kuti 10% ka wiki ndipange jani. The poor guy, I want to mourn my friend because no matter what, all akale kuti nzagoyo wapanga kufa kwake kwapanga pave way for an opportunity for you. Take it, of course. That's ambition means. Ambition must pay its date one day. Brian Banda's ambition dies young. Brian Banda was born 1981. My friend, I know him. I knew Brian. Okay? Everyone, in ambition young. What in that is it will be easier for someone to knock me out. Come if we move smart, we roll smart. We don't tell people where we are. We just show you Timapanga Olupanga Kloko Kuti Nabela Apapa Quick location. Timapanga's made also 3-4 hours. We move smart. Because we know the ambitious men will be targets of jealous people who are stagnant, who are stuck. Okay? Keep that in mind. Now, Wanda unagapuma guy. Tamulire zao. Then wapanga withdraw what you are trying to do. Kuvanga withdraw to David Ambassador iwe anthu akupasa opportunity kuti ukaime global stage unganene kuti chifukwa kuti munthu ina wake watitumizira message kuti suna sonke na memo. Aha, what a fucking stupid excuse, man. Come on. What are you talking about? Ife ukona ngati siri kuziwa. Ukona ngati ife latopata zero kuti we cannot see. Come on, bro. Uzipita ku challenge. Brian Banda was a prayerful man. Kungoti he was a Christian in a same Christian, in a scientist. If mafuna tizipanga zinthu zimene we can verify with our own eyes, we not speculative or kuti anthu ena akatipanga feed and then timayang'ana, we see the world different. But you, bro, no, that is suspicious move. That is a snake move. Move amenya wanda sisha. It's what we call a snake move. The snake in the grass move. Wanda, you're a snake, man. You said shit about me. Now I'm coming for you. Yeah.